Hello everyone. Can you see these two vowels coming together and remember the rule? When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking and second one remains shh. And this first one will give it name sound. So what is the name sound? I. So this is I sound. Let's read some words. Cried, cried, fried, fried, tried. What if I have to write cry, fry and try? You want to see how do we write them? See. I cry, I fry, I try. Now here I sound is given by Y. So I is also IE and Y. When I is coming in the middle of the word, we write IE, and when I sound is coming in the end, we write Y. There is one more I sound, which I know you all know. Let's read this. Is it E? No, it has magic E. So this becomes I. So five. Bride, bride. Dive. Remember magic E? Changing E to I. So there are three I sound. There is one more. You want to read that as well? It is IGH. I sound. Let's read these words. Fight, fight, tight, might. So there are four long I sounds. Okay? Do remember and practice them and read along. Bye for now.